See if little DJI baby can do this.
My take on the NEO AI drone. So I took this NEO out while I was riding my EUC, and I wanted to see how well this thing would follow, and took it out to a good lot. Had my GoPro and wanted to do some test runs. So here on the lot, started it out. I did the last updates on it, and let's see how it goes. So you could really hear it buzzing. You know, a lot of times I wanted to look behind me to see if it was still there, but I could just hear it. You know, it's so buzzy, sounds like a swarm of wasps following behind you. This one course that I frequent is, you know, this building has walls and poles that you could weave in and out of, and it was a good testing area for the NEO for me. I thought it was pretty good.
Come on.
And so far, the tracking is doing pretty good here. Going back into the building sides, and again, you can hear it. Picked up the speed a little bit, a couple more miles an hour, and you can see the little NEO behind me. And this structure has a lot of, you know, close to the wall, and there's a lot of poles for foundation holding up this overhead structure. So this little NEO did great, man. I thought it would lose me. Never once did it lose me. I didn't have to stop to go back to retrieve it.
Still back there.
So here I'm going up a walk path outside of the building structure, then go back in again, going down the side, and then here I took this sharp turn, left turn, came up on me, and I want to stay on the path. And little NEO did pretty good, followed right behind me. It went around that curve like, wait, where'd you go? It was amusing, actually. So here I'm doing some wide turns on the lot, taking a sit down position again, seating. And, you know, when the little wobbling I did, it followed too. It kept me in its view. Gonna make a left turn in the seating position. Going over a speed bump. I don't know if that raised it up at all, but kept me in view.
Still doing like 12 miles.
Here again, as I stand up, it seems like it rises up with you. I'm going to make a good right turn here. And the NEO just follows you.
Oh man, that's cool.
It just kind of slow down and another kind of wide left turn.
See, can you do it?
Going back on the lot.
I'm pushing it. Come on.
Here, going up on a path a second time. This time I thought I would try to throw it off with a couple of turns, like left turn here, going straight, right turn, going through the poles, left turn. Did pretty good. Didn't hit the poles. Didn't get sucked into the wall.
Go to drop.
Overall, it did really good. I'm really surprised. It's fun to play with this little Neo, and despite what people say, it's fun. Do the updates, and you have fun with this thing.